Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl.
Peck Peck the Woodpecker is playing with his favorite little penguin. The toy penguin is crying.
Huh?
Hello, Hop Hop.
Huh? Hello? Who's crying here?
It's the toy baby. Will you help calm him down?
Oh. Oh.
Let's try rocking him. There we go. Hop Hop's doing really well. Peck Peck, where are you going? Wow! The woodpecker has found a toy stroller. Let's go. They can take the penguin for a walk in the stroller. What's that? Warm clothes and a bottle. Oh! Peck Peck, that's a toy bottle. It's not for you.
But this is for you.
The toy penguin is drinking the water and closing its eyes. Let's go for a walk. Hop Hop doesn't have time for a walk. He needs to make the baby penguin's lunch.
Hop. Hop.
He needs a pan and a ladle. The stove. A cup of oats and a chef's hat.
Whoa.
Let's pretend the oatmeal is going to be made out of colorful beads. Let's turn on the stove and stir the oatmeal.
Hey, tasty. Peck Peck, oatmeal's ready. Hey!
Quick! It's lunchtime for the baby penguin.
What?
Let's put the oatmeal in a bowl.
Enjoy your oatmeal. All done? Let's go outside.
The birds have decided to push the baby penguin down the slide.
Let's go.
Hop Hop will catch the baby at the end. Got him! Now you, Peck Peck. It's so fun playing together, isn't it?
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Peck Peck the Woodpecker is in the playground. Peck Peck. Push your truck down the slide. In the truck's bed, there's a toy penguin. Peck Peck likes giving him rides. And now on to the carousel. Peck Peck, jump on. The carousel is spinning really fast. Where are you going, Peck Peck? What a huge slide! Oh, you won't be able to climb up there. No, even with a run up, you won't make it. Oops! You need to find another way up. I wonder where that door could lead. That's not how you open doors. The button. Hooray! The door's opened.
Peck Peck, stop.
Oh, here's Hop Hop the owl.
It's a lift.
Turns out you can get to the top of the slide using the lift. And the pink button calls the lift.
Press it again. Hold on. I'll go first. Come in. The doors are closing. Press the up button.
The lift is going up.
We can get out.
No? What happened? You forgot the truck. Shall we go back down for it?
Let's go.
The lift is going down. We need to call the lift again. Grown-ups get in first, then the kids. No, Peck Peck, you can't press all the buttons at once.
Don't mess around. We could get stuck.
The little penguin is going down the slide. And Peck Peck is going next.
Hooray! Hop!
That was so much fun. Oh, the ants are trying to call the lift. Shall we help them? Hop Hop is taking a box with a surprise up there. I wonder what's inside. Open it, Hop Hop. It's a lot of colored balls. They go down the slide so beautifully. The birds have come up with yet another interesting game.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. It's raining outside. Hop Hop and his friend Peck Peck the Woodpecker are watching the raindrops drip down the window. It looks like they're having fun. Peck Peck is funny. He wants to catch a raindrop. Hop Hop decided to play with the train set.
Choo-choo! The train's moving!
Peck Peck wants to play too. He's loading a spoon onto the wagons. It fell off. Don't worry. Shall we try again? Hop Hop will help you. Hooray! You did it!
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Birds? What was that sound?
Uh-oh! Huh? Oh!
Oh, it stopped raining. Ah, a real train has pulled up at the station.
Hop, hop, hop!
Hop Hop and Peck Peck are going for a ride. Hop Hop, did you forget something? I wonder why he needs a towel. The train is taking the little birds to a huge playground.
It's a stop!
Here there's a seesaw with seats that look like snails. Do you want to have a go on them?
Huh? Stop! It's wet!
Peck Peck used his wing to wipe the seat. Now it's dry. He can get on the seesaw.
Oh?
Peck Peck wants to have a go on the slide.
Hey! Uh-huh.
Slide down, Hop Hop.
Oh, the slide is dirty.
Yes, that slide is too dirty to go down. It's a good thing Hop Hop brought a towel. He's wiped the slide. Now it's clean. It looks like the woodpecker loves going on the slide. Do you want to go down together? Like a little train.
Choo-choo!
It's so fun going down the slide together. And the birds still have lots of time before evening.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hello, Hop Hop.
Hello!
What's that?
Bubble mixture.
Wow! The little owl is going to blow some bubbles. It's working! The bubbles are floating upwards. The bubbles are floating very high indeed. Higher than the butterflies. Hello there, Peck Peck. Look at all the bubbles. Do you like bursting them?
Peck Peck, catch this!
Hop Hop is blowing more bubbles, and Peck Peck is going to burst them. Huh. The mosquito has seen the bubbles too. Oh no! It burst one bubble, and another. Peck Peck the Woodpecker doesn't want to play with the mosquito at all.
Catch another one!
Have you got a plan, Peck Peck? A net! The woodpecker is going to catch the mosquito. It's not easy, but it's fun. The mosquito is very clever. Peck Peck, can you catch it? And missed. Peck Peck, be careful. Oh, the pot of bubble mixture has fallen over. It's empty. Don't worry, Peck Peck. Hop Hop has got a plan.
Off we go!
The woodpecker and the owl are going to Hop Hop's house. And the mosquito is flying after them.
Water! Soap! Bubbles!
It looks like the owl has a plan. He'll make some new bubble mixture.
Water? Soap?
Hop Hop is mixing soap with water to make
Bubbles! And a straw!
The owl is blowing bubbles. Oh, look how big they are.
Whoa! Whoa!
Now it's Peck Peck's turn.
Yeah.
Take the straw. What a huge bubble! The mosquito's back again. The little woodpecker is trying really hard to catch it. Look at that, little birds.
Bubbles!
Lots of bubbles. Peck Peck discovered he can blow bubbles with the net. Now there are so many of them that even the mosquito can't burst them all. Oh, looks like the mosquito is tired. Shall we play some more? Hop Hop blew one big bubble, and Peck Peck blew lots of little ones.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Do you hear that sound? That's the train coming out of the tunnel.
Choo-choo!
Hop Hop the owl is driving it. His toys are in the train's wagon. Peck Peck the woodpecker is waiting for his friend at the station. Hooray! The train's coming.
Hello!
Hello there, Hop Hop. Our woodpecker's been waiting for you. He really wants to go to the lake with his new toys. Everything into the bucket. The birds are heading there on the motorcycle. Put on your helmets.
Let's go!
There's the pier. Take your toys over there. That's a crab. Crabs are very good at moving from side to side.
Crab!
Oh, the crab's gone for a swim. Peck Peck's gone for a swim too. That's a lot of splashing.
Stop! It's deep over there.
It's not safe to go off into deep water if you can't swim. Let's take a look at the other toys in your bucket.
A starfish.
How many arms does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The starfish has gone for a swim. And the ray. And the blowfish. It looks like a ball. Peck Peck wants to get the crab. Little owl, what are you looking for? Ah, it's an inflatable ring. Our little woodpecker can use it to go swimming in the lake.
Wings up, please. Now you can swim.
Hop Hop's also put on a ring. Little birds, let's pick up our toys. That's one fish in the net.
The blowfish.
The ray.
The starfish.
Well done! What a wonderful trip to the lake this has been.
Let's sort our toys out.
The starfish, the swordfish, the blowfish. Somebody's missing. Do you know who? That's right! The crab! There's a butterfly on his head. Into the bucket you go, crab! We've let the air out of the swim rings. And we've put away the net. Did you pick up the ray? Ah, there it is, in the bucket. We can go. Till next time, little birds.